Hello friends and family, welcome back again to my channel with another interesting video. I hope you all are doing great. In this video we are making condensed milk toffee. So guys, let's go check on the ingredients I will use for this toffee. So I have my condensed milk over here, also some nut milk. I'll also add some evaporated milk and then my margarine. You can use butter. If you don't have the two, you can use oil for this toffee. So guys, let's go and make it. Into a pan, I'll go in with my margarine, allow it to melt before adding my condensed milk and the other ingredients. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, thanks for clicking on this video. I'm Getty and you are welcome to my channel. We make anything related to food recipes. If you like what you are seeing, kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified anytime I post a new video. Okay, so at this point all the ingredients have been added, so I will keep on stirring until it gets thickens up. You can watch me on Facebook and also watch my short videos on YouTube Short, Instagram and TikTok. The name is Getty Cooks and subscribing is free. You don't have to pay any amount, so stay tuned. Okay, fam, so our condensed milk toffee is all done. Just look at the lovely outcome. It came out so perfect and yummy as well. This toffee was so chewable and just look at the texture. and you can finish this toffee within a minute. If you find this video interesting, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this time. Till then, see you in my next one. Bye.